Bulletin, please stand by. The National Weather Service in Maple City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Miami until 11:25 p.m. At 10:43 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Miami 15 miles east of Maple City, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Maple City and Miami. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm, and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.